Hello everybody. Today I am going to teach you Vedic maths, and in Vedic maths I am going to teach you base method of multiplication. Already I have made two videos on base method of multiplication, and in one video I have discussed the case when both the numbers are above the base, and in another video I have already discussed when both the numbers are below the base. So two cases I have already discussed. Today I am going to discuss with you my third case when one of the number is more than the base and the another number is less than the base. This is my third video. So let's see how can you do that. Now, as you can see here, I'm going to explain you how you can do this. Now you can see here in this question, I have already written here, this is the working base 100 and my question is 102 multiplied by 97. So now you can see here in this example, 102 is more than 100 and 97 is less than 100. So if you will do 102 minus 100, you will get here 02, which will be positive and not negative. Next, if you will do 97 minus 100, you will get here minus 03. So this will be negative. And you know in 100 you have two zeros. So you have to put here two digits. Like 0 is extra, but you have to put here. Now what will you do? You will multiply 02 with minus 03. Okay. This is very important minus. So here you will get minus 06. Now what you have to do is 102 minus 03. Or what you can do is 97 plus 02. So both the terms will give you 99. Now you can see here I have written, but you can see this minus 06 is negative, and when you multiply any number you will not get any negative term. You know that. Okay, so if you will do this with your general method, 102 with multiplied with 97, you will never get any negative term. So you have to convert this negative term into positive term. So there is one method in the Vedic maths which you have to follow while converting. Now see, this is negative, so you will convert it. This is very important. You have to convert it and make it positive by reducing. How can you do that? The method says that you got here this 99 now. So what will you do with this 99? You will reduce this 99 by 1. So what will you do is 99 minus 1, which is equals to 98. So like this, you have to make the term positive here. This minus 06 is negative. So this step, you see, but I have written here minus 06 is negative. So to convert it, what I have done here, I have reduced this 99 by 1. And you can read this again and again. This step, you can read this step again and again and try to understand this step. This step is very important. So you will get here 99. Now also next step is also very important, that here you will write down this in bracket minus 06. So what you have to do is you have to do 100. You know your 100 is your base. So you have to subtract this negative term. Okay. You have to subtract this negative term from the base. What is the base here? Base is 100. So you have to subtract this negative term from the base. So 100 minus 06, you will get here 94. So what will you do here? You see, you got this 98. So 98 I have written here, and then you got this 94 here. So I have written this 94 here together. You will write down these numbers together. So you will solve it like this. Now, if you look at the next example is 1005 multiplied by 993. Now, in this example, you can see here 1005 is more than 1000. Okay, and you will do 1005 minus 1000. So you will get here positive term, and this is 993 minus 1000. You will get here negative term. But in 1000, you know 3 zeros are here. So you will keep here 3 digits. Okay, then what will you do? You can either do 1005 minus 007, or you can do 993 plus 005. So in both the ways, you will get this 998. Now, as you have seen in this example, in my previous example, you can see here also, this is minus 05. This term is very important. This is negative, and I have written all the explanation. Since minus 35 or minus 035, it is the same. Minus 35 is a negative term, so we will convert it. We will convert it and make it positive. How you have done? You just look at previous example, how you have made it positive by reducing 1 from this number. This is 998. So what will you do? 998 minus 1, which is equals to 997. Okay. Now also in the previous question, you have seen how you have done the conversion of this number. So also you will subtract this minus 05. Okay, minus 05 from the base. What is the base here? 1000 is the base. So you will subtract minus 05 from 1000. So you will get here positive term. You will get here 965. And then you will write it together. And this is your answer. This, you see, this 997 is here now. So 997 I have written here, and this 965 you have got from here. So I have written these numbers together. And you see, if you will try more difficult questions, if you will try lengthy questions with this method, so again you will find the Vedic maths tricks very useful. So now I am going to discuss with you another example. Now you can see here, I'm going to discuss with you. See, this is my fourth case. 3 cases I have already discussed with you. Now, what is the thing is, numbers are not near the base, which are close to 10, 100, 1000. Now, you can see, look at these base. You can just look at these base. So these are called the working base. Okay, these are called the working base. You can see here the base is not 10, 100 or 1000, but the base is 20, 30, 50. Okay, this is called the working base. So now let's see how can you do this. Now you look at this question. I will explain you how you have to do this. My question is 46 multiplied by 43. So what is working base here? 50. 50 is the working base here, because these numbers are closer to the base 50. If you will take the number 10 or 100, it will be far away and your calculations will be very difficult. Okay. So I am going to take the working base here 50. So what you have to do is 46 minus 50. You will get here minus 4, and then you will do 43 minus 50. So you will get here minus 7. So in my previous videos, as you have seen, you have to multiply the numbers on the right hand side. Minus 4 into minus 7 will be plus 28. And if you will do 46 minus 7, or if you will do 43 minus 4, you will get here 39. So now you see, as you have seen is, you see the working base is 50. What is 50? 50 is, you know, 50 is 10 multiplied by 5. Okay. Base is 10. Actually, the actual base is 10, but we have multiplied 10 with 5. So this is our new base 50. Okay. So here you have got this 39. You have to multiply this 39 also with this 5. So multiply 39 with 5 and you will get here 195. And now what you have to do is you have to add 195 with this 2. Okay. Why? because in base you can see here only 10 is here. Okay, so on the right hand side you have got here 2 digits, but you cannot keep here 2 digits. This 2 is extra. Okay, so you have to shift this 2. How will you shift this 2? You will add this 2 with this 195. Okay, so and you will get here 197. So now here when you have shifted this 2, only 8 is left here. So what you will do, at 197 and paste the 8 with this. So final answer is 1978. So like this you have to do this work. Now next question is, you can see here 62 multiplied by 48. Again you can see here working base is 50. Both the numbers are close to 50. Okay, so now what you will do, 62 minus 50, you will get here plus 12. And what you will do, 48 minus 50, you will get here minus 2. Okay, so next the steps are the same. Next step is the same. What you have to do here is, you can do 62 minus 2, or you can do 48 plus 12. So in both the ways you will get here 60, and here what you will do, plus 12 multiplied by minus 2. So you will get here minus 24. And in the previous question, as you have seen, like you have done, you have taken the working base 50. What is 50? 50 is 10 multiplied by 5. Here you have multiplied the basic 10, basic base 10 with 5. So here you will multiply 60 with 5. You will get here 300. Now this is new 300 slash minus 24. Now you know here only 10 is here. So you will keep here only 1 digit. This minus 2 is extra. You have to shift minus 2 to the left hand side. So I'm going to explain how you will do this. Now you see here this minus 2. This minus 2 is extra. Okay, so what will you do? You will shift this to the left hand side. So you will do 300 minus 2. And what will be left on the right hand side? Only minus 4 will be left. Okay, because here this is minus, so here also you will do here minus. If this will be plus, so here you listen, see what is most important here is this sign. Now because this sign is minus, so you will do here minus. And if this sign will be positive in any sum, so you will put here plus. Now 300 minus 2 is 298. Now here minus 4 you will write down as it is. Also, you know this is the negative term. You know this is the negative term. And in the previous question, I have told you how can you convert the negative term into positive term. You have to subtract. I have written here. You have to subtract 1 from 298. This is 298. So 298 minus 1 will be 297. And in the previous question, I have told you this is minus 4. So what will you do here? 10 minus 4. Okay. What is the base here? Base here is 10. So you will do 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. So I have written this 6 here. This is very important. See, 10 minus 4. How you have got this 6? I have done 10 minus 4. Because the actual base here is 10. Okay, now let's see how you can do another question. See, now the numbers are becoming difficult. I have taken a difficult question now. In the starting, you have to always try the questions with the easier sums. But as now you know how you have to do these questions, now you just look at this question. If you will get this question in your competitive exam, and if you will try to solve it out with the normal maths, you will take a lots of time. But this question is very important from the point of view of your competitive exams. This will save your lots of time. Now you see this is 7 998 multiplied by 7997. This is very important question, very important. Okay, what is base here? Base here is 8000. Okay, so you will do here 7998 minus 8000. You will get here minus 2. Here you will do 7997 minus 8000. You will get here minus 3. You can write here minus 002 also, and here you can write down minus 003 also. It's the same. Okay, now as you have done so many questions, so I have not written here, but here I have written. You can write here also. Okay, so you will multiply this minus 2 with this minus 3. Okay, minus 2 into minus 3 will be 6, and here, because you know you have to put 3 terms, because here you have 3 zeros now, 3 zeros, so you will put here 3 terms. I have written here 3 terms. Okay, and here you see 7998 minus 3 or 7997 minus 2. You will get here 7995. But now you know you have done the same work in previous questions also. What you will do, you will multiply 7995 multiplied by 8. So when you will do this, you will get here 63960. Okay, so you see here this 63960 is here. You have got this. What is more important here? This is the maximum important question from your exams point of view. You see here 3 terms are here now, 006. So you will write here 3 terms, 006. Okay, you will not write here only 6. Why? Because here 3 zeros are here, so you have to write here 3 terms. If you will write here only 6, your question will be wrong. So you have to take into consideration the number of zeros in the base. This is maximum important from your exams point of view. Okay. Now you look at the next question. Your next question, I have made it interesting as well, so that you will find it interesting. I have just made it interesting as well. Your question is 698 multiplied by 697. So I have just made it interesting as well. So now let me annotate it, how you can do this. Now you see, what is the base here? Base here is 700. Okay, base here is 700. So what will you do here? 698 minus 700, you will get here minus 02, or 697 minus 700, you will get here minus 03. So you will multiply minus 02 with minus 03. So you will get the positive term now. So you will get here plus 06. Okay, and if you will do 698 minus 3 or 697 minus 02, in both the ways you will get here 695. Now you know 695 you have to multiply by 7. Why? Because now your new working base is 700. Okay, so you will get here 4865. Now like this, in 700, you know 2 zeros are here. So here I have got 2 numbers I have written here as it is. Just remove the slash and write down these numbers together. So this is your final answer. Like this, you can get the final answer. And the last question which I am now going to take with you, this is also interesting question. This is very easy. Now 1009 multiplied by 998, you know the base here is 1000. So now 1009 minus 1000 is plus 9. Now 998 minus 1000 is in negative term, so minus 2 here. So plus 9 into 2 will minus 2 will be minus 18. So you know here 3 zeros are here. So three terms you will put here minus 018, because this is very important. See, maximum important at this point. You can do the mistake here. Try to just understand this concept कि when there are 3 zeros here, so you will put here 3 digits only. ठीक है? This 0 is extra. You have to put put this, just keep this point in your mind. So now here 1009 minus 2 or 998 plus 9, in both the ways you will get here 1007. So now you know this is negative term, so you have to make it positive. How will you make it positive? You will make it positive by doing 1007 minus 1. Okay, so here you will get here 1006. Also, what will you do? Base here is 1000. So I'm going to show you what you will do here is, let me do the annotation. See, you will now do here 1000. I have written here, and here I have done here minus. You will do here minus. You will do here 0, 1, 8. Okay, so you will do this when you will do the subtraction here. So what will you get here? You will get here 2. Then you will get here 8. Okay, so then you will get here 9. So you will get it like this. Okay, when you will do the subtraction from 1000 minus 018, you will get this 982. So I have written this 982 here, and now I hope you have explained it very well. These are very easy questions, and these are very important from your competitive exams point of view. And if you want to understand this concept properly, you have to see my 3 videos, my part 1, my part 2, and my part 3, just before this videos on my channel. And thanks for watching my video. And like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.